Hi, to PK4. Today I'll tell you how to fix the invalid password or so when you try to log into the web app, sometimes you see this alert message and you're unable to log into the web application. To fix this issue, you should reset your password and if you have entered the wrong password multiple times, you see this message. So this click the OK, enter your ID and click the forgot password option. So here you should enter your app key, your employee ID and click the send me a verification code. So an OTP will be sent to your email address. So here X967. Then click the reset your password option. So here you enter the app key, the verification code, employee ID, passwords. So password is like one is the password and one is the confirm password and click the reset button. So now you see the message as password reset and you'll be able to log into the web application. So here you can just enter the employee ID and the new password that you set and click the login button. Then you can use the application as usual. Thank you.